Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake rusk. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of whole milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure everything is at room temperature for the best results. Now let's prepare the cake batter. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, beat in the 3 eggs, adding them one by one, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gradually add the dry ingredients alternately with the milk and vanilla extract, mixing until just combined. With your batter ready, it's time to bake the cake base. Pour the mixture into a greased and floured 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean when the cake is fully baked. The final step transforms your cake into delicious rusks. Once the cake is completely cool, carefully slice it into uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch thick. Arrange these slices in a single layer on a baking sheet. Now bake them again at a lower temperature, 120 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 to 30 minutes per side until they are golden brown and perfectly crisp. Enjoy your homemade cake rusks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.